Welcome to Unit 8, which is due on June 27th. This is part 1 of the International Mission Board, where we'll be looking at some of the history of the IMB and church planting movements. So I hope that you'll enjoy this unit. Let's look at the unit. Of course, there's no textbook reading for this unit. So there is reading. There's plenty of reading to do, but no textbook reading. One of the big reading assignments is this Church Planting Movements booklet by David Garrison. It's about 50 pages long, but it's short pages. It's an easy read. And I think you'll enjoy reading about CPMs, church planting movements, something that's been an emphasis of the IMB and of other mission agencies for a good long while. So read this. It won't take you long. I think it's kind of fascinating. It's a number of years old, but still very relevant, and church planting movements are still being talked about to a great extent. So spend some time with that. There's a CPM's video. It's a 12-minute video about church planting movements. You'll enjoy looking at that. Then there are several lectures on the history of the IMB and some of the reorganizations that have gone on. I have the PowerPoints for that are used in those lectures, so you don't have to look at those unless you want to look at some of what was covered in the lectures. I ask you to look at the IMB website, to look at some of the ways to serve with the IMB. And then there are a number of articles to read. None of them are very long. Some of them are Baptist Press articles. Look at those. And then you have don't worry about the writing the research papers. That's a resource, but you don't have a research paper to write. There's a little video on maps that you can look at, 3 minutes long. You won't be tested on that, but it's an interesting little video. And then there's a quiz. The quiz has to be completed by June 27th at 11:59 p.m. Remember, you cannot make up missed quizzes, but I want to say right now how impressed I am with you and your faithfulness in completing units and quizzes on time. It's been one of the best classes I've ever had in terms of completing quizzes on time. But you can 1 hour per attempt, 2 attempts, open book. You can add 50 points to your second attempt. So this is about the IMB and church planting movements. Hope that you'll enjoy this unit. And thank you for your faithfulness. If you have any questions, let me know. Remember, in a few days, you have coming up your missionary biography discussion to talk about. That's coming up in a couple of units. All right, well, have a great rest of the week, and God bless you.